Hi, this is Fernando Alvarez with EQ1 Real Estate, and welcome to my latest listing at 53 Kennedy Avenue, just minutes away from downtown Campbell, which, by the way, I believe is the best farmers market in the area. Now come inside, take a look at the home. This 6-year-old home has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms on almost 2,000 square feet. It has dual zone heating and air, a wide open floor plan, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and loads of cabinet space. Come, take a look. Thank you for joining me. If you have any questions or if you'd like a private tour, feel free to reach out to me today. I'm here to help home sellers win.